How to update Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then update the Spotify app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now just make sure that you are connected to the internet connection. In my case, I've already downloaded the Spotify app, but let's say sometimes I face some types of general issues and bugs. In that case, it could mean that it is lacking an update. So in order to update the Spotify app, if you're on iPhone, you can just open up your app store. If you're on Android, you can open up Google Play Store. Just open up your respective app store over here, and in the search box you just want to go ahead and then type in Spotify. So I'll just go ahead and type the letters called Spotify over here. Once I select Spotify, if you see an update button right over here, it means that the Spotify app needs an update. But in my case, it is already updated to the latest version. As you can see, I have the open and uninstall button, which means that my Spotify app is up to date. So if you're on iPhone as well, you will most likely see the update button. You just have to tap on it to update it to the latest version. What updating also does is that it is going to make sure to always keep the application free of bugs and errors, and it will also come up with new and exciting features that you don't really want to miss out on. So you can also make sure that your updates are always turned on. And hopefully this video helped you in either way as to how you can go ahead and update the Spotify app either on iPhone or Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.